Hi guys, I'm Sahid and you're watching YouTube Economics. As a child, I might not have a bank account, but I surely do have an ATM. Surprised? It's not magic. The Pandora box, which is your ATM, is nothing but, you guessed it right, YouTube. First thing you need to know if you have to start making money on YouTube. Luckily, there are several ways in which YouTubers make money. The first is YouTubers normally apply for AdSense, and once your channel has been approved by Google AdSense and you hit 1000 subscribers and have acquired 4000 hours of watch time in the previous year, your channel starts making money. The second way is either you can sell products online or give away merchandise to your fans. This is also a way which a few YouTubers do. The last and foremost is fan funding. You can let your audience support you through fan funding if you are an institutional organization. You should be noting this point that your views and the revenue you make are not tied. Suppose you have 10 million views, but only 1000 people have watched your ads. So you get revenue only for the 1000 ads and not for the million views. Every 30 seconds of ad time you get revenue, and if they skip the ad, your revenue is lost. There's an important feature in YouTube called CPM, cost per mile. This CPM is the rate at which your YouTube videos are shown to your fans. The more CPM you have, the more value your videos will have. This CPM is decided by YouTube's AI. So let's say on an average your videos make 10,000 views and this particular video of yours has made 20,000 views. So your CPM goes higher because this is very special for your channel. So the same way, if your views are below your average, you get a very low CPM. The CPM also depends upon your content. If it's a very good or educational content, it goes for a higher CPM, while if it's not wanted by your fans, it goes for a very low CPM. Here are the do's and don'ts for YouTube. As a startup YouTuber, you should be knowing these points. Let me take my case as an example. I am also a startup YouTuber. I always keep in mind that my videos are interesting to watch. And be sure you're the first viewer of your videos. If you like to watch the videos, the more your viewers will also like to watch your videos because you all are like-minded people. Never make your videos boring or don't do it for the sake of YouTube or whatever. It may not be long. Don't do it for watch time or revenue. Make sure what is your content and make it crisp and short and let it convey to your fans. Always collaborate with other YouTubers of your size and similar content so your audience can be revealed to his and his audience to yours. This way it's a very easy way to grow. Make sure you're active in community guidelines. This is a place where many such YouTubers of your kind are together communicating, discussing what is going on and what can be the next video. This might be very useful for you if you're a part of them. Always keep in mind of improving your videos. You can take this from the previous video or you can let your fans know what your mistakes are and what you're good at. Always take the comments and see where you can improve and don't be rude to your viewers. The most important point you should know if you're a YouTuber, the don'ts. Most of the young YouTubers make this mistake. Sub for sub. Definitely you shouldn't be doing this unless you want to have a dead channel with inactive subscribers. Next, don't get discouraged on just making 1 or 2 videos and seeing that you have not made great progress. Success does not come overnight. Most of the big YouTube channels have taken years to come to this level. So don't get discouraged. Spamming comments. These I have seen many people do it. This is very annoying for the YouTuber himself. Do not spam comments in your comment section. Don't do giveaways often unless you want a bunch of people who have just subscribed to our channel to receive stuff from you. Now, the last point. Where will you reach by adapting all the fundamentals explained before? If you have followed everything I have told you, you would have become a nice YouTuber with great content, you with a small but a very quality viewers who support you for everything and let you know your mistakes to grow. I'm sure all of you can do it if you actually have the passion to do it. Don't do it for money or something else. And why does everyone want to become a YouTuber? Is it fame, money, popularity, or is it because of your passion? Let me know in the comments down below. Nothing is wrong in this. Your view is your view.